Hey there! So, you want to learn how to get Microsoft PowerPoint on your Windows PC for free? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how to do that in this video. It's completely legal, legitimate, and works for both Windows and Mac computers. Plus, you won't have to download anything. Sounds good, right? Let's dive in. First step, grab your computer and open up any web browser. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will do the trick. Next, type office.com into your search bar. On the official Microsoft website, click the blue Sign In button. Next, log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, just click on Create One to set it up with your email and a new password. Once logged in, go to the Install Apps section. From here you can access PowerPoint for free. On the left-hand side, click PowerPoint, then start a new blank presentation, and you're ready to use PowerPoint at no cost. That's it. You now have all of Microsoft PowerPoint's features directly in your browser without needing to download any files. You can create and edit slides, apply animations, transitions, and themes, add charts, tables, and images, use real-time collaboration with others, and even present directly from the browser. Plus, all your work is automatically saved to Microsoft OneDrive, so you can access it anytime, anywhere, from any device. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.